Yoshida, tsaka yung charger daw yung nag-charging. Yung charger na lang. Saan ba na wala? Naiwan ako charger. Hindi ko alam. Sabi lang charger lang. Kasi nakita ko yun.
Anak? What this is OOTD?
Outfit of the day po, ma.
Outfit of the day? So you're posting everything you're wearing?
Yeah, far right.
Fun? What's fun? Making other people envy you? Do you really need to post it? Eh, you're going to meet them naman. They will only care if you post nude pictures of yours. You're not an actress, anak. Wag feeling. Ay, anak! Love you.